Looking for a way to supercharge your breakfast? Try our green superfoods breakfast recipes. Power up your day with a green smoothie bowl. Ingredients: 1 scoop green superfoods powder, 1 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt and almond milk, 1 banana, ½ cup spinach leaves, ½ cup frozen mixed berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flaxseed meal. Instructions: in a blender, combine the green superfoods powder, Greek yogurt, almond milk, banana, spinach, frozen mixed berries, chia seeds, and flaxseed meal. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with sliced kiwi, granola, fresh berries, and pumpkin seeds. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it boosts energy, supports digestion, and strengthens your immune system. Elevate your morning with green oatmeal. Ingredients: ½ cup rolled oats, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop green superfoods powder, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon dried goji berries, 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon pure maple syrup. Instructions: in a saucepan, bring the almond milk to a boil. Add the rolled oats and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the green superfoods powder until fully mixed. Remove from heat and stir in the hemp seeds, dried goji berries, and chopped walnuts. Drizzle with pure maple syrup and serve warm. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it boosts energy, supports digestion, and strengthens your immune system. Upgrade your avocado toast with green superfoods. Ingredients: 2 slices whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 1 scoop green superfoods powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, ½ cup cherry tomatoes, a handful of arugula. Instructions: toast the whole grain bread slices. In a small bowl, mash the avocado with lemon juice, green superfoods powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Spread the avocado mixture evenly over the toasted bread. Top with half cherry tomatoes and a handful of arugula. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this combo boosts energy, supports digestion, and enhances immunity. Transform your morning with a green breakfast wrap. Ingredients: 1 spinach herb tortilla, 2 large eggs, 1 scoop green superfoods powder, ½ cup shredded spinach, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 1/4 avocado, 1/4 cup salsa. Instructions: scramble the eggs in a non-stick pan. Stir in the green superfoods powder while cooking. Lay the tortilla flat and spread the scrambled eggs evenly over it. Top with shredded spinach, shredded cheese, and avocado slices. Roll up the tortilla into a wrap. Serve with a side of salsa for dipping. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this wrap boosts energy, supports digestion, and strengthens immunity. Give these recipes a try and let us know how you like them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.